Namar makuat kalah Pynlong tu bah. Suam kan niap.
Kiri pop sudah. Himdan hi ka boarding ban ai yangi.
Chuang mem ta. Ngali ngatieng bat mai cika bodum. Ban ngam kuat ban niap bak cing dum.
Himdan la apo setleo pat. Kadum hiam.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Directorate of School Education and Literacy Meghalaya, hakakat artrik jemang aja Rio, kala pelong ya ka state level science, mathematics and Environmentexhibition for children arajar apsan Rio, halor kapang STEM for Viksit and Atmanirbhar Bharat. Haka jingalang kapalong ha Meghalaya Bharat Scout and Guide Laban Shillong. Haka nigasngi laidan lang du Menteri Sarkar Kajala uba kami ya katanat puli puthi uba lakaman remboy ginohi kay bat kikna school.
Go and meet from there in the corner. You have to make some signatures. Karuna Boro from Savi High Secondary School. Shreya Kumari from Sacred Heart High Secondary School.
Coming here to the state level for the Rajya Sterya Biovigyani Pradarshani has been a wonderful and unforgettable experience for me. I feel very proud and happy to represent my school and district on such a big platform. This journey has taught me many new things. I got the opportunity to meet all the talented students from each district and school. Seeing the creative ideas and innovative designs or projects inspired me to think scientifically and explore more about science, mathematics, and environment and its importance in our daily life. This experience has helped me become more confident and responsible. I learned how to explain my ideas clearly and work with dedication. It also taught me that success comes through hard work, dedication, and discipline. The exhibition atmosphere is very inspiring because it encourages young students like us to think scientifically and develop innovative ideas for our society. I feel proud to represent my school and be part of such a wonderful event. All the participants also got the opportunity to visit the STEM lab Nectar, where we all learned about robotics, electronics, and DIY projects. It was a very interesting and wholesome experience for all of us. Last but not the least, I would like to thank the government of Meghalaya and the Directorate of School Education and Literacy for organizing this wonderful event and giving us such a valuable opportunity. Thank you.
What I have observed is that on the first day, first session, we had exhibit of the different models born from the district level to the state level, where I find that the best refined exhibit were selected from the district and it is brought to the state level. So in the state level, from the different districts, the best model which is brought here, the students then exchange their ideas. By exchanging the ideas, like I can say that, like from the district, suppose as a student, I brought only one idea, but when I reach here, and at the end of this program, I am carrying a number of ideas in my mind, full of ideas, because different students from different districts, they brought different ideas, and they have put those ideas in the form of model exhibit. So this is one of the best thing that not only me, I think all my teacher colleagues and the students, they learn a lot of things from this exhibition. And then the second session is a very new thing for me also, because this is the first time for me to be a part of the STEM lab that I have seen yesterday, and where we have like participated in the robotic, like just now only one of the students has already mentioned robotic, then DIY, that is do it yourself, and so many activities is given to us. So even the teachers and the students we were working together, making the experiment, and we enjoy a lot. So I told my student that we have to go to Nompo, so we are getting late. So let's go. Then my student he replied that, sir, just wait, we'll do some more. So that is the interest which developed among the students. That is a very good thing that I have experienced yesterday. And today's first session, like one of the Dr. Janita, she has given a lecture on eyes in the sky. The eyes on the sky is what we do or what we observe, but eyes in the sky is she is talking about the satellite. She has not only mentioned about the satellite, but she mentioned that what the India has achieved. So this program, like you can see here, is given the stem for Viksit and Atmanirbhar Bharat, means how we can develop. We can develop when we have the STEM knowledge, that is the science, technology, engineering and mathematics. So this is a very good platform for the students, especially like they are learning and exploring themselves in this field, so that we can make our country one of the most developed country in the world. That's why it is already kept a target that in the year 2047, our country will become the Viksit Bharat country. That is, Viksit Bharat means the country. Our country will become the developed country. That is the aim and that is the target. And because of that, this is a beautiful platform where the students are learning a lot. And myself as a teacher also, I have done a lot. Ma'am just now only she has mentioned that I received national award in the year 2023. But I'll tell you honestly, the credit goes to the science exhibition department. They are organizing. When I just joined as a teacher, I was very much interested in making the science model and all. And because of that, like when they asked me, you show your documentation and all, I have given all my documentation. It is all related with the science that I have taken part. So all the achievement that I have received or I was recognized is because of the science exhibition. So being a teacher, I will thankful to the government of Meghalaya that conducting every year such type of exhibition where not only the students but the teachers are also learning, and it gives a special recognition to us. So for this, thank you everyone. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
My dear student, you are here today because you have some ideas. You are here today because you know something. And we are here today because you have the confidence in the ideas that you have and in the things what you are doing. That's why you are here. If it is not because of those three, you will not be here. You may have an idea, but you don't have the confidence to showcase your idea. You may have the mind to do things, but it remains only in your mindset without showing the things to us. But because you have the ideas, because you have the confidence, you are here today. And this is the thing which India wants from each one of us. We cannot make a Viksit Bharat by 2027 until and unless we have the ideas, we have the capability, we have the capacity, and we have the platform to do, and more importantly, we have the confidence to do it. The government of India, the government of Meghalaya, we are working together to give you the platform. The platform is not because of this exhibition. This exhibition is just an exhibition. But through this, with the confidence you have, we know that you can make it big. And when I talk big, that means it is, I don't know what you will make it, because it is up to you. So my dear friend, today the world is no more, there is no boundaries in gaining knowledge, and there is need to get knowledge, to empower yourself, and to reskills yourself. So it's up to you. And we see the power of science, how it transforms life, and how it will transform life. We have seen how the Gulf War has been fought. Those times when CNN telecast about the Gulf War, the war between Iran and Iran. And we see every day how it's happening. How many troops have been killed? How many people have been killed? But we see this ongoing war between Israel and Iran. How technology transformed the art of warfare. Till today, in spite of so many missiles, in spite of so many bombed by the jet, navy, we have seen that the loss of human life is very limited. And more importantly, the intervention of human army, human force is very limited. All they are going through technology. That's why science, technology, it is a very, very important. And we have seen how artificial intelligence, it may overtake us. Who knows? We have seen the day-to-day life, how this artificial intelligence, how the power of science and technology transform life, make life easier, and more importantly, help us individually. I have seen in all exhibits which you, my dear student, have experienced. I have seen, you know, that what you are doing and how you do. And I have seen in you, you are very talented. You know. And more importantly, what that student, I forgot your name, the one who spoke just now, that when she come here, she get an ideas. From North Carolina, she got ideas of South Carolina, of East Jaitia, of West Jaitia, of East Carolina, so on and so forth. And we have seen also through your exhibit how the solar energy was transformed into electrical energy, how electrical energy is transformed to mechanical energy, how mechanical energy is transformed to mechanical. That shows that the ideas which you gain today, in these 2 days, it is like those energy. It may be a solar energy, it may be a electrical energy, it may be a mechanical energy, it may be a wind energy for you to enrich your knowledge. So we have seen, even science also, they are collaborating. So you also, this platform, when you see that the student from South Karo Hills, what is his idea? And what is the idea of his parents? If you could combine this life, how to transform the wind energy into electrical energy, into mechanical energy, and so on and so forth. So in science, it is not born, never in silo. It is always acted with so to say, synchronized mechanism. So my dear student, I am very confident that you have the ideas, you have the talent, and your teachers, they will help you. And more importantly, in Meghalaya, under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, we have seen so many platforms have been there in the state of Meghalaya for you to explore. Don't think that, now what can I do? It gone other days when it's a top-bottom approach. Now even you can approach bottom-up. If you Chef is there to help you in whatever way which he can do. And not only that, we have the system in India under leadership of Honorable Prime Minister to enable you, because we cannot make, as I said before, we cannot make a Viksit Bharat by 2047 until and unless the government empower you. That's why by 2047, the plan of the government is that to empower the citizen in everything they do, to make them self-confident, to be able to shine. And our honorable chief ministers have a dream of 10 billion economy by 2032. Who will transform that? It is you, every citizen of the state. Every citizen of the state, we can work together. Every citizen of the state, we can work as a citizen of India to work together that we become a Viksit Bharat by 2047.
Report is right. Myself to the sustainable agriculture, which mainly focuses on smart irrigation and precision farming. So, India's our agriculture is facing so many challenges, and traditional farming needs to. So that's why we are focusing on smart farming. So, this is my soil moisture sensor, and it is inserted into the soil and detects whether the soil is dry or wet. And this is my Arduino Nano, and this is my relay module, and this is the form. This is the HD11. It detects the humidity of the surrounding, and if the soil is too dry, it automatically sends a signal to relay module, and it pumps water directly. And once the soil gets an amount of water, it turns off automatically. And this is the status of the problem, the humidity and the soil. If it is above 50%, then it will stop pumping water, and if it is below 50%, then it will pump water automatically, and farmer will not come into the everything is done by environmental.
How much it costs?
It is this is just for demo, so it is.
No, I'm talking about this is how much is the for last farm? How much it costs?
Then something like it's so large.
Great, it is very economical. Because the farmer they are poor, they get economical machineries for them. All the best. Hydroponic.
Soil using nutrient-rich water to deliver essential minerals directly to the soil. The main idea behind the development of this method of farming was driven by the urgent need to address the limitations of traditional agriculture, such as shrinking of arable land, water scarcity, and climate change. It also helps to conserve water as it uses the method of recirculating. To circulate the water, we use water pump. To power the pump, we connected it to 8.4-volt battery. When the switch is turned on, the water is pumped to the first grow bed, it flows into the second grow bed, and returns to the nutrient tank. This digital thermometer over here is to measure the water temperature, as plants require certain temperature to grow safely. And also, the water which we use to grow the plants should be slightly acidic. To check the acidity level, we'll use litmus paper.
Great. This class?
9.
What do you want to do?
I want to be a doctor.
This is not related to doctor. From hydroponic to all the best. What is this? With what? With energy?
The petrol is had electric power generation system that forces something into energy. So, what is hydropower? Hydropower is a renewable source of energy that uses the energy of flowing or holding water to generate electricity. It uses the energy which is suitable in nature, So, for this project, I'm to demonstrate how energy is converted step by step to finally produce electricity. So now, I will briefly explain the working of my model step by step. So basically, hydroelectric power generation system works on high water flows. To demonstrate this drum model, I'm using a water container as a reservoir at a certain height.
What is hydroelectricity power plant near your place? What is the name of hydroelectric power plant near your place? Near to us?
Canal.
Great. That means you bring canal here. Good. Which class?
10.
All the best.
So when the water is used from this reservoir, its potential energy converts into kinetic energy. Then the fast flowing water strikes the turbine, causing it to rotate. This rotating turbine converts the kinetic energy into mechanical energy. Here, this turbine is connected to the generator. When the turbine rotates, the generator automatically converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy. So this is how, we can see the principle involved in this model. The scientific principles involved in this model are electromagnetic induction and law of conservation of energy. Then the electricity produced will be supplied to homes, buildings, and street lights, transmission lines. As we can see, how energy is converted step by step to finally produce electricity. So this project shows how clean and renewable energy can be produced using natural resources without depending on fossil fuels like coal and petroleum. More of and sustainable, making it very important for our future. Thank you.
Thank you. You bring canal. Shalom. Thank you. All the best.
We can see that the IR sensor has detected that drop. And in the LCD board, we can see that zone 1, there's 1 drop. This zone can accommodate 3 drops. Now, so when another drop enters that zone, yellow light turns on, which tells us that only 1 more drop can accommodate this zone. And once that last drop finally accommodates that zone, the red light turns on and the servo gate closes. Incoming drops that are coming will have to wait first at the waiting area. When the drop leaves the zone, the drop count automatically decreases and the servo gate will automatically open, which then the waiting drop is released. This is the basic idea of our model. It can be applied especially in school zones that are suffering from heavy vehicle traffic, and it can also be enhanced with smart city system. It can also be modified to give priority to emergency vehicles like ambulances or school buses. The advantages of my model is that it reduces traffic congestion, it improves the safety of students and teachers, and it also requires minimum human control. In conclusion, the automated quota-based traffic management system for trucks is a smart and effective way to control traffic. By controlling the number of trucks that goes through each zone, we can ultimately control the flow of traffic, which will reduce congestion and improve our safety. This shows us how simple technology like sensors and microcontrollers can have an impact on society. It supports the idea of a smart and sustainable future where technology improves daily lives without having to cut important activities like transportation. Thank you.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEM's, our ride